The Golden Harvest grilled chicken basmati rice is just awesome, and with every bite you got to say the kadai grilled chicken biryani. These masalas are going to make your chicken, will give the biryani that extreme flavor what we love in the biryani. Dear friends, I know you are getting tempted to comment already, but you have to watch the entire video because this is going to be good. All this biryani are going to go on top of this. You should be ready for the magic. Boomba, 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 boomba. You have to see the chicken. Best biryani is done. The rice has to be like this. We have praised the Golden Harvest basmati rice enough, and it's time to praise the chicken and the biryani and this awesomeness. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session. Golden Harvest presents Vahchef at wherever. So today we are going to learn how to make this awesome grilled, that too in a kadai grilled chicken biryani, and that too using Golden Harvest Hyderabadi basmati rice. So first we are going to make a masala, which we are going to coat the chicken, and here we are not going to add curd and all that with the chicken, because we are going to fry that in the kadai with little oil, and that too on a slow heat. We will give the chicken such a beautiful taste that will also start enhancing the basmati rice what we are going to use in the today preparation. This grilled chicken will enhance the basmati rice and give it a very nice flavor. So here I have got the spices. Today we are going to use the whole spices in this, and you can get them at Sangi's Kitchen. You can go to any of the leading stores and you can find them. Sangi's Kitchen masalas, the star anise, the clove, cinnamon sticks. This is Kabab chini, the coriander seeds, black cardamom, the jeera. You're going to add the chillies. You can use the kind of chillies what you use commonly at home. We're going to make a powder of this. We're going to take the chicken pieces. I've just kept 2 of these nice chicken leg pieces for myself, so I can have a lot of fun. I've got a lot of chicken pieces here. Look at this. In this, we're going to add the masalas. The grounded masala we're going to add in this, and these masalas are going to make your chicken super tasty, and also will give the biryani that extreme flavor what we love in the biryani. A lot of people, they try and add all kind of masalas. No, simple masalas will bring in all the flavor. In this, we're going to add salt. In this, we're going to add some oil. In this, add at least 2 tablespoons of oil, because this chicken will be nicely fried or grilled from the bottom. Just apply all this masala to the chicken. This chicken pieces is ready. Leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Squeeze in some lemon juice. That's all. And this chicken is ready to go into a kadai. Just take this nice big pieces of chicken first and assemble here. And now the other pieces of chicken, just put it on the sides like this, and all of them should be touching the bottom of the pan. Add masala and the oil on top. On a very slow flame, I'm going to put the lid on, and then we're going to slowly cook the chicken. In fact, if you see, even this kadai, I have put it on top of a tawa. So the flame is not directly hitting, and the chicken will be safely resting in that little oil and getting slowly fried and grilled. In the same pan, we're going to make the masala. That too, we're going to just pour it on top just before we add the rice on top. So I've got some yogurt in this. Of course, we're going to add some salt, and the most flavoring thing, I'm going to use the brown onion. Along with this onions, we're going to add green chili. This will give, in fact, I'm adding capsicum today to give a very nice that grilled flavor for my biryani. Add chopped coriander, mint, capsicum. In this, we're going to add tomatoes, chili powder. I love a little bit, hot. You want to add a little bit of turmeric, fine. This is optional. We're going to mix all of this. This mixture will give a very nice gravy kind of texture, and also the flavor. The reason why I added capsicum to this, you will know when you make it. With this chicken and this biryani, it's going to be super. No matter what you make, the rice is very, very critical part. Today we're going to see and also understand how to cook the rice. And in this, we're going to add nice, fresh and pure ginger garlic paste. You can get in any of the leading stores. Just bring it, and easy, just squeeze in some fresh and pure ginger garlic paste. Dear friends, I know you are getting tempted to comment already, but you have to watch the entire video because this is going to be good. Just dilute it a little bit with water, and then this is going to go on top of the chicken. Just make sure that there is enough salt in this mixture. Later, I'm going to put this on top of the chicken and we'll do that. Now, first, let's learn how to cook the rice that will go on top of it. So here, the chicken, slowly it is getting cooked. If it is too hot, then it will burn the chicken. No, it has to sizzle so lightly that when this is done, it will be perfect. For this, we're going to cook the rice till it is around 75% done, and then we're going to put this rice on top of the chicken, and then we're going to cook it. Here, first, water. In a biryani, what is the most important thing? Salt. If the salt is not appropriate in the water, then your biryani is messed up. In this, just make sure you add salt. Just you have to taste this salt water, and this has to be like sea salt water. Only then your rice will come out nice and tasty. So still not enough. No matter how big chef you are, if you don't know to add the right amount of salt, your rice is messed up. And today we're going to use Nilgiri cow ghee, and to make our biryani very tasty. So in this, I'm just going to add just around 2 teaspoons of ghee, and that will give a very nice flavoring for the already very good rice. So in this, we're going to also add a little bit of mint. Here I'm going to add some peppercorn and some shai jeera. This pepper, when this is done, you will be able to eat it because this is nicely boiling in the water and it loses the little bit of heat evenly distributed. In this, we're going to add the rice. The water is not boiling too much, and in this, I am doing the draining method. That means I am going to drain some of the water out. In this, add the rice, and as soon as you add the rice, you have to mix because the rice will go and settle at the bottom. You may not get it right. And another thing is, whenever you are using the basmati rice, soak the rice at least for 15-20 minutes. That's when you will get this rice, nice and long. The rice will be cooked till it is 70% done, and then we're going to drain out the extra water, and then we're going to top it up with the chicken. The rice is almost 70% done. I'm going to switch off the flame. I'm going to take the rice in 2 vessels. The first rice I'm going to take in this vessel. This is slightly less cooked because I've removed it first, and I'll just give a minute, and that little bit raw rice will go directly on the chicken. Rice which will sit here for another 2-3 minutes, that will go on top of it. This one is almost ready, so we're going to drain this out, and then this will go on top. Make sure your rice is perfectly done. That's when you will enjoy very good biryani. Now all the rice is out. So let's put this masala on top of this grilled chicken. The rice is all ready, and the chicken, some of the juices have come out. This chicken is nice and masaladar. That is what will make this extremely good. Here, the tomatoes, the curd, everything, all this mixture, whatever we did before, this will have this nice barbecue grill kind of flavors in this with the ginger, garlic and mint, tomato. All of this will give a very nice. He got 2 rices. One is little bit, I removed early. So this rice, we're going to spread it directly on top. So the moisture from this cooking, everything will be absorbed by this rice. Don't waste even a grain of rice, all the rice, spread it evenly like this. And on top of this, we're going to pour the other rice. And look at this, how beautifully we have spread it. Now we're going to do the magic. We're going to take some more of this beautiful mint leaves, brown onion, saffron water, just a little bit of lime, 1 teaspoon of the Nilgiri ghee on top. I think that should be good. The moisture that is there underneath should help it cook perfectly. Now we're going to do the dum. So we're going to put this on top. In fact, I've got the dough. Make a very soft dough so it will be sticky. Otherwise also you can take some water, put the lid and see where it is getting touched. You want the dough should come on this rim, so it will seal this. Take this dough and spread it, and I'm going to seal the whole thing. Just apply a little bit water put the lid on top, and here you can put some weight. Take a vessel with water and just put on them, and when you put some water and the vessel on top, the heat, will also be controlled inside. It will never burn at the bottom. So here having a vessel with water will make sure that your biryani will be done perfectly. And we're going to wait for at least 20 more minutes because the chicken was cooking on a very slow heat with all the masalas at the bottom. When this is done, we're going to serve the whole thing, and you're going to take the chicken leg. My God, this is going to be just awesome. With this biryani, I'm going to serve nice pink salt raita. So for this, I'm going to use all the ingredients. I've just cut the cucumber into slightly bigger pieces because, this has also got that nice soothing effect. Whenever you eat, you get that nice crunchy bite. In this, add a lot of, finely chopped onion and a little bit of finely chopped green chilli and chopped coriander. In this, we're going to add garlic also. The Biryani raitas and all that, I love a little bit of garlic in raita. So add a little bit of garlic and a little bit of jeera powder. If you want to add, we're going to top it off with red chili powder. But here, this Golden Harvest pink rock salt, look at this. The pink salt will give a very nice flavor along with the raita. Just mix all of this, add yogurt, and then mix this all perfectly. Now your raita is ready, and that flavor of nice pink salt is amazing. And when the biryani is ready, we're going to serve it. This bread, this is cut into small pieces, fried and also served, along with jaggery and all that. So we will try that in another day. But this is all perfect. Nice chicken pieces at the bottom. They got little nice brown, slight, coloring. And then we're going to, why can't we try this ulta biryani? Before we do that, I just want to show you the rice. So look at this rice. Each grain of this rice. When I say perfect rice, you have to just look here. The Golden Harvest, Hyderabadi Basmati rice, this is all perfect. And this each grain, look at them, they curl a little bit, perfect. Flavors that is coming out, I'm super excited. Today, I'm very hungry. What? Very hungry. When I say I'm very hungry, I mean I am hungry. So, all this biryani are going to go on top of this. And are you guys ready for the magic? You should be ready for the magic. So, boomba, 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 boomba. And you have to see the chicken. The chicken is fuming. That, Sanjay, it's time to eat. Let's transfer this onto the banana leaf. And the rice is so perfect. And I just want to show you that no matter what, you can make perfect and super perfect biryani. Look at the rice underneath. I just want to make this ulta fry, and then I want to show you how beautifully the rice will be. See this chicken piece, chicken leg. I don't know, people asking for mandi, dandi chicken. This is what the real biryani is about. As I told you, when I say I'm hungry, I am really hungry. Today, you're going to watch me eat all of this in one shot. Best biryani is done. The rice has to be like this. See, I want to show you the true effect of a good basmati rice. And here, you have seen it. We have praised the Golden Harvest basmati rice enough. And it's time to praise the chicken and the biryani and this awesomeness. This rice is just amazing. And the chicken leg is so perfectly cooked. This is, damn it, very hot. I just want to show you how easily you can take the piece off, and this bumba bumbasa is so hot. I say, look at this chicken. This is super hot, but this is just too good. And I hope you enjoyed today's session of bringing back the magic of Bhar Phet Pyar with Golden Harvest, and see you in another session with another, super recipe.